Hey everyone, this is Corbin with My Tennessee Home Solution. I'm sitting here with Kay, an awesome homeowner. We're sitting in her old place here in Westmoreland. You'll be closing tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Okay. Just a couple questions for you, Kay. And just to start off, what was the situation that you were in where you reached out to us in the first place?
I was in debt enough I was going to lose the house if I didn't sell it. And y'all have helped me out. Y'all made a difference. I'm not losing my house. I was able to sell it to you.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. And how did it go versus what you had expected?
Way better than I expected. There's been no hiccups anywhere. Everything's gone perfect. It's been exactly what I could hope for and more.
Okay. If you were to do it all again, would you?
I'd do it with y'all before I do it with anybody.
Yeah. Okay. Well, if this resonates with anybody at home, if you've got a place out in Westmoreland, it's more of a rural area, or you feel like you're in a situation where, you might lose a house if you don't do something, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Our number is 615-933-5431, or visit us at mytennesseehomesolution.com.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.